Hello everybody, this is Ronnie from Creator. This time we bring here some new products. For example, this one, a 4K 60Hz 4x4 matrix switcher, which is suitable for the application requiring small matrix. And also we have the transmission boards for fiber and LAN cable. It supports 4K 60Hz. And this is an LTECH discussion unit. We can see no microphone on the surface, but it corrects the voice from every direction. What's more, we have this conference whiteboard. It is an all-in-one device integrated with capacitive electronic whiteboard, remote video conferencing, and 4K ultra-high definition display, and wireless interactive projection, and concierge welcome. If you want more information, please come to visit our booth at 10P140, and also you can visit our website www.creator1997.com. Thank you so much.